Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to find your Monzo account number and sort code. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Monzo app on your mobile device and ensure you are logged into the correct account. Once you're in, navigate to your home page where you will see all your different accounts. Locate your current account and click on it. This will bring up a new page for your current account. In the middle of the screen, you will see two tabs labeled Feed and Manage. Click on the Manage tab. From here, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Account Details. In this section, you will find your sort code and account number. Additionally, you can also see your bank address, BIC number, and IBAN number. If you want to copy your sort code or account number, simply click the button on the right side of the number. This will allow you to easily copy the information for use elsewhere. So that's basically how you can find your Monzo account number and sort code. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.